The most expensive Galaxy is coming. What's up guys, we are just 5 days away from the official Unpacked event. The excitement is through the roof. Samsung has officially started doing its tiger marketing for the Galaxy S22 series, which by the way looks very dope. You might be thinking, why a tiger? Can't they use any other animal like a cat? Well, the tiger marketing is because of the tiger strategy that Samsung formed at the CES to rival Apple in 2022. So there you go. Today we have a big news that confirms the most expensive Galaxy S Ultra flagship for the year 2022. We saw the pricing of the Galaxy S22 series yesterday and it's actually pretty amazing, just like the last year's S21 model. Again, this is all for the base model stuff. For those who are really looking to take advantage of features like 12-bit HDR 4K video, Samsung is bringing an all-out model for those users. According to Roland, Samsung will indeed bring the 1TB variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in selective markets. This means that the pricing of this phone could be close to $1,500. That's a lot of money. Again, not everyone needs to pay for this model, but if you're looking to shoot 12-bit HDR video comfortably along with taking these super resolution photos, then the 1TB option does make a lot of sense. I do think that Samsung should bring this model in more key markets such as US, Europe, South Korea, and even India. Now, if you want to play it safe, you could go for the 512GB model, but the 128GB base storage could be a little less for those who are looking to shoot HDR videos, but for normal stuff, I think it's pretty manageable. Again, we'll see the details regarding the pricing and storage stuff pretty soon in a few days at the official Unpacked event. Now, speaking of events, the next Unpacked event will unveil the upcoming Galaxy A series. Samsung's most important smartphone of the year that drives a lot of sales is definitely the Galaxy A model, and this year it's going to be the A53. We finally had the official Samsung-made press render of the Galaxy A53 confirming the full design. No big surprises, it's pretty much the same as last year's model, but this time the headphone jack is gone. We also got the key camera details for the A53 model. It's coming with the 64MP sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, 5MP depth sensor, and then another 5MP macro sensor. The selfie sensor is coming at 32MP resolution, so on paper it's looking pretty much same as the last year's model, but hopefully we might see a new 64MP sensor. Plus, Samsung is cooking their brand new Exynos 1200 chipset, which will bring some new AI features to enhance that camera experience. The display is set to be 6.5-inch 120Hz AMOLED with 5000 mAh battery along with 25-watt fast charging support. The official announcement for this could happen in March, so stay tuned. So that's all the latest news. The 1TB S22 Ultra will come to select markets. Again, it's gonna be the most expensive flagship, Galaxy flagship in 2022. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.